Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, we will talk about how to show thumbnails instead of icons in VLC videos. Method 1. Enable thumbnails in Windows. Right-click on Windows icon and select Run. Type Control Folders and click on OK. Go to the View tab and uncheck Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Now click on Apply and OK. Here you can see the video is now showing a thumbnail instead of an icon. Method 2. Clear and reset thumbnail cache. Right-click on Windows icon and select Run. Type Clean MGR and click on OK. Make sure the C drive is selected. Scroll down and check Thumbnails. Then click on OK and choose Delete Files. Once it's done, click on the Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Install Codec Pack. Open your browser and type Klite Codec Pack, then press Enter. Open the website. Here you can choose Standard or Full, depending on your needs. You can read the details here. I am selecting Standard. Scroll down and select the download server. After downloading, open it and click on Yes. From here, choose the options as per your requirement. After installing the codec pack, simply restart your computer. So that's how you can show thumbnails instead of icons in VLC videos. See you in the next video.